Have you ever wondered how a creature so fearsome as the Minotaur came to be? His story begins on the sun-drenched island of Crete, where King Minos desired a sign from the gods to prove his right to rule. In response, Poseidon sent forth a magnificent white bull, a symbol of strength and beauty. Instead of sacrificing it as he was commanded, Minos chose to keep the bull, deceiving the god and igniting divine wrath. Furious, Poseidon cursed Minos' wife, Pasiphae, with an insatiable lust for the bull. In a tragic twist of fate, she gave birth to the Minotaur, a creature with the body of a man and the head of a bull, a grotesque embodiment of their cursed union. Abhorred by his appearance, Minos imprisoned him in the labyrinth, a maze so intricate that no one could escape its twisting paths. The Minotaur fed on the flesh of young Athenians sent as tribute, a grim reflection of the king's failure and the curse that loomed over his house. Thus, the creature lived in darkness, a symbol of both Minos' pride and Poseidon's wrath. The Minotaur's tragic existence forces us to confront the dire consequences of hubris and the tangled web of desire and revenge woven by the gods, leaving a haunting legacy that echoes through the ages.